In today's video I will try out this Lexus power steering stop leak. It supposedly stops leaks. I have a tiny leak on my Lexus, so I will first remove the same amount of power steering fluid from the car and then replace some of it with this. The leak is not like huge, I will show you in a moment, but I've seen people use this stuff even on vehicles where it's almost dripping out, so let's see if it actually works for my car as well. There's like a tiny seep from here, so this is already power steering fluid from here. I will clean it up, put in this Lexus stuff, and let's see what happens. The moment it's exactly cold full, and the car is cold, so I'll try to take 300 out. I'll use a nice syringe for that. So that's like about 100 milliliters. Let's see how much I can get more. I think I'll just basically overfill it now. This stuff is thick though. And then I'll run it and then remove excess. Oh yeah. Oh, this kabagoo is still in here. I think I need to run it more. Because I have like 1/3 of the bottle left, I think. Oh, now it's very not so thick. Yeah, this should be correct amount to remove. I have removed 300. I think I can just leave it here for a while. Let's check what the current level is. The fluid did get slightly warm, but I wouldn't say that it's operating temperature. Alright, let's see what the level is currently. So it's exactly on this highest mark of cold. Obviously in the beginning it might still leak slightly because it takes time for it to work, I guess. This is after 1,300 kilometers. I mean, there's a drop, but you know, I'll just clean it up again. I would like to think that this is just from what was already gotten into the boot, you know. 1,698 kilometers. Right, let's see what the engine is completely cold. So it was before also on the upper side of cold, so we have lost no significant amount of fluid. So the level of the power steering fluid has not changed. That's a good thing. However, at 1,700 kilometers, the boot itself still had a few drops. I think it's fine, but I will do further testing. This is another couple of 100 kilometers. At least it doesn't seem to me like it's leaking anymore. So yeah, seems this thing works. 2,750 kilometers since I switched to Lexus oil. Well, it's a little bit under the cold mark. This is 3,100 kilometers. Totally cold engine. So I hope you can see it has lost a tiny bit. 3,800 kilometers. And I think it's the same level as last time. Doesn't seem to have any any change in it. Seems this Lucas leak stopper has worked. I'm very happy because it was an easy fix. If it weren't for this video, then I wouldn't have to check it so many times. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe.